Hi guys, today I'm showing you how to play Uno with little ones for 2 players. Now to better explain to you, I did go through my cards and I did separate them by colors and by the different cards that you may be getting when you're playing Uno. So this card right here, it means you're playing again. Same as this one. So let's say I did put this one down. I get to put another card from the same color. If I don't have another card from the same color, then I'm gonna go and collect one more card. If it's the same color, I get to put it down. If it's not from the same color, I get to keep it with me. The other card is this one. This is the block card, which means you don't play. If you're playing with more players, you get to skip another player and another player plays. But since in our case it's just 2 players, then you get to play one more time, just like this one. So if I put it down, then I have to put another color. Let's say I put this one again, then I have to play again to put another card. If I don't have another color, like if I don't have green, then I have to collect another card. The next card is this one. This one, if someone puts it down, means the other player needs to collect 2 more cards. And again, they have to keep the color yellow. So if they have yellow, they can go ahead and put it down. If they don't have yellow, then they get to collect another card. This one is the player who puts this card down, they get to choose what color to choose next. Let's say they were playing with red. Then if I put this one down, I get to choose what color. I can say blue, I can say yellow, or I can say green. It has to be a different color than the color you were playing before. And now let's say they put this one down and they decide to have green. So I'm gonna put 2, I'm gonna put 8, I'm gonna put 4, they're gonna put 6. I don't have 6 and I don't have green, so I'm gonna collect 1. Oh, I got 8. They have 8 in blue, so they're gonna put it down. I have blue, I'm gonna put it down. They're gonna put 4, I'm gonna put 4. They don't have 4 and they don't have blue, so they're gonna collect 1. They got 3. For me, I can put 4 because it's the same color. It's the same number, sorry. They're gonna put 2 and I'm done. I'm the winner. So this is how you play Uno with little ones. Let's start.
Let's say if I have 1 in yellow, I don't have 1 in yellow.
Check if you have 8.
8. Let's see. I do have 8. Don't play. 2 plus.
Two.
6.
You have yellow
No.
or 6?
No. I choose blue.
And since I don't have blue, I'm gonna grab 1.
Uno.
9.
I'm gonna play. I'm gonna play, of course.
Okay, your turn. You won.
That was a